Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you how to knit flat super bulky hat. Is usually perfect for beginners and has a seam but really invisible even when you stretch the hat. On my channel and on my blog you can find more super bulky hats tutorial, flat and also knitted in rounds, so you're welcome to check them as well. As usually I am using circular needles. You may use straight needles because it's flat hat, uh, 9 millimeters, and any super bulky yarn. I'm using wool is N6 from Lion brand, and it is number 6. It is 170 grams and you will need less than 170 grams. So you will need 120 or 30 grams. So one skein will be enough and you will have also leftovers. Because the hat is super thick and the yarn has 20% of wool, it's perfect for the cold winters. Using long tail cast on method and 9 millimeters knitting needles, cast on 47 stitches or any other odd number. So 49 or 51 and so on. And the first row, slip the first stitch, and we start with ribbon, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, go on knitting till the end. Knit 1, purl 1. Because we have an odd number, there will be one knit stitch, and the last stitch we are going to purl, and we will always purl it. Turn. Row number 2, we continue knitting ribbon. So slip the first stitch, and here it is a purl stitch, so we start with a purl stitch. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, continue ribbon till the end. At the end we have one purl stitch and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn. Row number 3, slip the first stitch. Now skip the next stitch, and then there is a purl stitch and you insert your needle underneath the purl stitch, so in previous row, one below. Draw up a long loop, then make yarn over, and now slip the next stitch knitwise, then knit the next stitch and pass the slip stitch over the knitted one. And that's what we are going to repeat till the end of this row. Skip the next stitch, then insert the needle one stitch below, draw up a long loop, make a yarn over, and now make slip, knit, pass over, slip, knit, pass over. Let's repeat again. Skip next stitch, insert the tip of your right hand needle one stitch below, draw up a long loop, then make yarn over, and then make slip knit pass over. Let's do it again. Skip, draw up a long loop, yarn over, slip knit pass over. Please go on repeating till the end. At the end we have one stitch, we are going to knit it and then purl the last selvage stitch. Row number 2, this is row number 4, but we are going to repeat just last 2 rows. Slip the first stitch, and next 2 stitches you see purl and purl stitch, purl 2 together, and then knit 1. Now repeat. Here you see a long loop and the purl stitch. We repeat purl 2 together and then knit 1. Again, purl 2 together, long loop and purl stitch, and then knit 1. Purl 2 together, knit 1. And go on repeating. Purl 2 together, knit 1. Purl 2 together, knit 1. Go on repeating. Purl 2 together, knit 1. Here is the right side till the end. At the end we have 1 stitch, so purl 1 and purl the last selvage stitch. Now we are going to repeat row number 3 and 4, last 2 rows. So we do not repeat the ribbon rows that we did at the beginning, just last 2 rows. Slip the first stitch, skip the next stitch, insert the needle 1 stitch below, yarn over, and then slip knit pass over, and again skip, draw up a long loop, yarn over, slip knit pass over, and again skip the next stitch, insert the needle one stitch below, draw up a loop, yarn over, and then slip knit pass over, and again loop, yarn over, slip knit pass over. Go on repeating till the end, then turn, and row number 6 will be the same as row number 4. Purl 2 together, knit 1. Purl 2 together, knit 1. At the end there will be just 1 purl stitch. In this way you go on repeating the last 2 rows until the hat reaches 20 or 21 centimeters. Here I am. Look how gorgeous the hat looks now. Let's measure. So I needed 20, a little bit more, maybe 20.5 centimeters. And if you need, I will measure also width. It is 40 centimeters. So the hat is stretchy. It will fit an adult size 56, 57 centimeters for sure. For a bigger size, add 2 or 4 more stitches or change to 10 millimeters knitting needles. And now we are going to start shaping the crown. It will be easier. Slip the first stitch and now slip, knit, pass over all the way across. Slip, knit, pass over, slip, knit, pass over, slip, knit, pass over, slip, knit, pass over. Go on till the end. At the end will be one extra stitch, so knit it and purl the last selvage stitch. Row number 2, no decreases here, just purl all stitches. Slip the first stitch and purl. Go on. Row number 3, we repeat slip the first stitch and now slip, knit, pass over, slip, knit, pass over, slip, knit, pass over. Go on knitting till the end. At the end, knit 1 and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn. Row number 4, again no decreases here, slip the first stitch and purl all other stitches. Row number 5, again slip the first stitch and then slip, knit, pass over, slip, knit, pass over, slip, knit, pass over. Go on and finish this round. Slip, knit, pass over, slip, knit, pass over, and here slip, knit, pass over, and purl the last selvage stitch and optionally purl row number 6. Now cut the yarn, leaving at least 80 centimeters tail. Using yarn needle, thread the tail through remaining stitches. I want to add that I do not recommend knitting row number 6, but it's up to you. Now pull the tail underneath remaining stitches once or twice more. And now using mattress stitch, let's join 2 edges. So we are going to insert the needle between 2 selvage stitches on one side and repeat the same process on the other side. Now return to the front piece again and repeat. Insert the needle between two selvage stitches. Return back here. And on the other side. Pull the tail, but not too tight. Here is the crown. And go on seaming till the end. Here I am. I want to show you how the seam is looking. Here it is. So even when we stretch, it looks almost invisible, as for me. And the crown. Do not forget to wash your hat after and dry it flat. Now let's weave in ends. There are two tails. Let's weave in close to the seam. And repeat for the second tail. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're looking for written instruction, check my blog and check other video tutorials on my YouTube channel.